Hubert Centers here. Let's take a look at the markets. Now, the markets are, some of them are up, some of them are down. This one's really, really rocking. And if you've never traded any agricultural products, I highly recommend that you take a look at these three markets. Now, there's three main markets that us commodity traders or professional traders trade on a consistent basis when you're talking about agricultural products. Now, you can trade it by stocks if you want to. I would rather see you trade either futures or ETF that has something to do with ags. So the first one we're looking at is corn here. And I'm not really going to give you a dead set recommendation on this. I'm just trying to call your attention to a market that is actually moving and has the potential to go substantially go higher. So this is the corn market. You can see that it's had a nice little rally, a pullback, and now it's pushing higher. The second market would be soybeans. So we're going to go at soy. So that was corn. This is soybeans. You can see that soybeans are just now breaking out again through 1633 and 6/8, and they look poised to break out right now. Corn usually goes first, then soy, and then the next one we're going to take a look at is wheat. Okay, and it's at W. So let me use the ink here. And that way, in case I went too fast, you'll have some good notes. So the first one's corn. So take a look at corn and do yourself a favor and look up some ETFs that have something to do with corn. You can also look at, some people call it soy. A lot of us call it just the beans because it's soybeans. And then after that, it's wheat. All right. So corn, I can't even say corn. Corn, soybeans, and wheat. And you can see wheat also breaking out above 884 and 4/8. Now, they do still trade in fractions. Don't let that confuse you. It's not a big deal. Just make sure you use stops. And the only other piece of advice is sometimes they have a daily limit up or limit down. Now, they don't stop trading. I mean, it's not a lock limit. It's just a limit. So, in other words, and I'm just making these numbers up. Let's say corn's limit up move, let's say it was 45 cents. Now, if it was 45 cents, it couldn't go any higher than 45 cents, okay? And then the next day it has a different limit move, and then the third day it has a different limit move. So if you were short and it went up against you, sometimes it'll hang up there. So you have to be a little careful. That's really the only gotcha, as far as I know, in this market that you just have to kind of be aware of. You don't want to you don't want to be on the wrong side of a limit move, okay? So good luck. Take a look at the agricultural products, and I'll see you on the next video.